Hello friends, welcome to Geeky Rabbit. In the last session, we saw a short video introduction about Git, and now let us quickly download Git into our local system. So for doing so, we have to go to Google and just download the Git Windows setup. So if you are using Mac or Linux, then accordingly download the binary. So I will type in as Git, and if you go to Git website in download section, so in here there are options to download Mac, Windows or Linux binary, and according to your system you can download. So I'll be clicking on Windows and the download will start. So now for now it will take some time and I will be canceling this as I've already downloaded. So let me quickly go to my download section, and here is my Windows binary. So what I can do is just double click on to start the installation and just click on next. So it will ask you to select the destination location where it needs to be installed. So I will keep it as it is and I'll just click on next. So then afterwards it will ask you to just click on this if you want an additional icons. So on the desktop just click on it, otherwise keep it as it is and click on next. So then again the start menu, then this is the default editor that will be used by Git, so keep it as Vim and click on next and select this second option so that you can also run Git from the command line as well as any third-party software, and just click on next. Just keep it as open SSH and click on next. Click on next. Just next. This is a very straightforward installation. And just click on install. So the Git installation has begun. And it will take some time. So generally the installation doesn't take this much time, but depending upon your processor speed, it may take some time as well. Just hold on for a minute. And once the installation is done, then we'll be seeing an icon on the desktop for Git, which or with which we can use and run the Git command. So let the installation finish and we can quickly go through it also. So it's extracting the file and it's installing. So it's a very simple installation and we don't need to do anything. So lastly, it will ask you to launch the Git bash as well as if you want to view the release notes, which is a very common procedure for all software. So I'll just uncheck it. I'll click on next. And yes, if you can see here, the Git bash icon is been seen here. And if you double click it, you will see the Git console. And now using this, you can fire up the Git command as well. So in this way, we can download and install Git on your local system. And in our next section, let us see what is GitHub and its uses. Also, if you like this video, kindly leave a comment and please subscribe to my channel for enjoying more interesting videos on different software that would be coming in. And yeah, that's all for today. So thank you all and have a good day.